So to sum up, objects are created in heap, and there could be only one heap space in a JVM. Stacks basically stores methods, primitive types, and address of the object, and every thread has its own stack. So there could be a multiple stack in a JVM. Also, we looked at that stack memory size is less than the heap because of simplicity in memory allocation, and stack memory is much more faster compared to the heap memory. So if you look at memory spaces, so the one in yellow is what the OS memory or the RAM memory. Red is basically the space in which the objects are stored. So it's a heap memory, which again can be tuned based on two arguments: XMS for the minimum heap size and XMX for the maximum heap size. The one shown in orange is basically the stack space, which is at per thread level. So JVM memory is nothing but or JVM memory is sum of max heap size plus number of threads multiplied by the XSS value, that is a thread stack size, plus other members. In your programming experience, have encountered this exception. One is stack overflow error, the other one is out of memory error heap. So stack overflow error occurs when there's no memory left to store the method call or local variable in the stack space. And one of the reason it could happen is that the application could have a recursive call. Now what this recursive call typically does is that application with a recursive call, and say because of a bug or a defect in the program, the programmer has not put an exit point. So what will happen is that over a period of time, the method will keep on accumulating in the stack, and eventually it will cause stack overflow error. So if you encounter this error, one of the thing that you should say is to check out for any recursive call in the application. Now if the application genuinely needs an increased size of the stack space, then XSS is the parameter that need to be tuned or that need to be increased. The second error is usually you see in the heap area, and that's out of memory error. So this occurs when there's no more heap space for creating the object. And when you encounter this error, usually what you should see is that why the objects are not getting garbage collected, why there's no garbage collection of unreferenced object. So it could be a cause of a memory leak, because of which the objects are not getting cleared from the heap and there is no space for the new object. Again, if it's a genuine case, XMS and XMX are the two parameters or JVM options by which you could increase or tune the size, or you should further investigate and see if there is any memory leak in the application which is causing the issue.